Kayla here, or Callie, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to find me on other places other than here on YouTube, you can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. I post all of my stuff on all of those platforms, mainly Instagram and Pinterest, and I also recently got on Ravelry. I don't know how that works, but I will definitely try to put stuff on there. Today, I'm going to be talking to you guys about everything I crocheted in the month of July and all of the whips that I was working on, because I still crocheted that in July, and you'll probably see at the end of this month some of those finished projects. Hopefully you at least see one of them, okay? But I like doing this because I love seeing everything that I have done for the month. I like seeing my progression, what I need to work on for the next month, and it's just awesome to see. And I love seeing other people's own as well, and you guys have told me that you enjoy watching all of the things that I've created, so here's another one for you. The first thing I finished in the month of July was this top here. It is supposed to be like a vest, a cropped vest type of thing. I don't want to say sweater vest because it is not a sweater in my opinion or anything like that, but I was working on this at the end of June. June's before July, right? June, July, yeah. I was working on it at the end of June, and I was like, this has to be like the first whip that I finished for the month of July because I needed to get this done and over with. I don't like having abandoned projects, but you'll see in this video that I do have one. Another one. But yeah, I made this top using Drops brushed alpaca silk and Drops Kid Silk mohair. The alpaca silk is the softest thing I have ever felt besides Drops Air. Drops Air is really soft, but the brushed alpaca silk, it was just so nice. It was structured so well. It has a better structure than Drops Air, probably because it has the silk in it, which gives it a nice structure. Holds it nicely. I combined those two together to get this nice color, this nice texture. Like, you see how fuzzy it is? It is like so soft. As soft as it looks. So the next thing that I finished, this is one of the things. I didn't finish a lot of projects this month, mainly because I worked on longer projects. Since winter is coming, I've been working on sweaters, okay? And sweaters take a long time, especially since now I'm the type of person who has whips, because I like working on different things at the same time now. It's just great. So the next thing that I completed for July was this mohair sweater. This was my first time working with mohair like by itself. This was my first time working with yarn other than acrylic and cotton. So I used mohair and alpaca with this one, but this is my first time using mohair together. Like, this is just all mohair, nothing else. A mohair sweater. Okay, let's just give it a twirl. Like, look at this softness, luxuriousness, and I got some green yarn to make another one because I want to make another version of this. My sister Kahila also got some to make a version of this, so I think in like, I don't know, November, October, maybe I will let Malika, Mr. Bobbin, wear this one. I will wear my green one. My sister's making a red combo. You know, she likes to mix her colors together. So we'll all take pictures in these. Oh my gosh, it'll be so awesome. Malika's not making her own because she doesn't like working with mohair by itself. Like, she's not down for that. But yeah, this is the second finished garment that I created in the month of July. It took me like 3 weeks because I was working on it on and off. A lot of these projects will take me longer now because I have been focusing on not worrying about having a finished product for my YouTube channel and just enjoy and record the process of me crocheting, period, and not worry about, oh dang, I didn't finish a project. Like, this is not a tutorial channel. I don't need to worry about, oh, I need to finish this so I can show them this so I can get, like, no. You guys are gonna enjoy my process. If not, then I don't know, find a tutorial to watch and enjoy that process or something. But here I want to enjoy the process. I want to show you the process, and it doesn't always have to involve a finished product in my eyes. So I love this. This is literally my favorite. I said it in my previous video. someone asked what was my favorite creation. This one for sure. For sure, I love it. Alrighty, now the third thing. I have not shown you guys this. You guys saw me working on it when I went to the beach and stuff, but I haven't shown you the finished product because I ran out of yarn to really finish it. And so it's like an incomplete but complete sweater. I mean, it's a cardigan. Oh, this is a cardigan. This made me hate cardigans, but I just realized I dislike chunky yarn. So sorry, cardigans. I thought I lost you for a second, but I didn't. I just don't like chunky yarn. But this is the cardigan. See, like, it doesn't look bad. Hold on, is this even on the hanger correctly? This is the cardigan. It is very, very thick, very big, very heavy because this is super bulky yarn. Oh, I didn't tell you what yarn I used for this. I used Drops Kid Silk Mohair, of course, and I used it double-stranded. I used off-white and vanilla and combined those together, and it made this nice color. Like, you can't even tell that this is two different colors in one. Like, I love that so much. But with this one, I finished it, and I didn't even take pictures in it. I didn't post it anywhere. I just wanted to get it over with because I was done working with chunky yarn. After working, I started working on this directly after I worked on my mohair sweater, and I was just like, ew, I don't like chunky yarn. I want to get back to my lace weight and fingering weight yarns, okay? But it still came out well. I just don't have any trim around the front part and around the neckline and stuff like you would usually have it. Of course, I have that at the bottom, the ribbing at the bottom, but none on the body part, and I really wanted that, but I ran out of yarn, and I'm not about to get more because I don't care about it that much to actually put ribbing on it, buy yarn to put ribbing on it, and I'd rather spend my money on mohair than super bulky yarn, and I feel like yarn is getting in my eyeball. It's probably the mohair. Please, I'm wearing contacts. We don't need this situation. Anyway, this is the third thing that I finished and the last thing that I finished for the month of July because everything else that I'll be showing you will be a whip. Oh, the yarn that I used is We Are Knitters Yarnicorn. Like, the color is beautiful. Like, this is very beautiful. It is very thick and it's soft. It's not rough or anything. It is very soft yarn, and I will still wear it. I will model it, do all of that, but I'm not going to put any trim around it because I don't have a desire to complete it in that way. But in my eyes, it is completed because you don't need ribbing around the body and a collar to have a complete project. Alrighty, next thing I'll be showing you that I was working on in July was this sweater. Now, ooh, this is bright. Oh, there we go. This was supposed to be a Kendall Jenner knit sweater. I was using my 24/7 cotton yarn by Lion brand. I have it in this bag. I made my project bag. My dad went to Costa Rica and got us bags. You probably saw my sister's on in her video, and this is my version. And I used it to store my crochet project. This is around the time that I started getting into mohair and alpaca and wool and stuff, and I was gonna do this just so I can get rid of my cotton yarn essentially. But then as I was crocheting with all the other yarns, I was just like, I really, really, really do not want to continue working on this, so I just decided it's gonna be a UFO. It's gonna be an unfinished project, unfinished object, and I'm just not gonna work on it anymore. So I will free up this space for another whip that I have planned. Maybe I will start my mohair sweater. Oh no! Actually, I will be working on a cardigan for TL Yarncraft, Tony's Cal, her crochet along that she's having. So I think that will occupy this bag next. But this is another thing that I was crocheting in July and decided not to continue it. This is my second UFO. My first UFO was my Amigaps sweater. Maybe sometime in the future I will finish it, but for now I do not plan on touching anything cotton or anything for a garment again. The next UFO is in this project bag. This bag was made by Crochet by AK, aka Anna K. and she crocheted this. I bought it from her shop. It is so convenient. I went to the park with it many times, and I love it because she's a fellow crocheter, a fellow YouTuber, and hello, support. Hello, it's awesome, and it's a great bag. But what I have in this bag is this slab of blackness. What is this? This is the tapestry that I started in my previous video, in my vlog. I haven't continued it since I stopped it, since I'm working on a project that needs to be done. Like, I have a time crunch on that one, so I've been crocheting like crazy getting things done. But this is going to be my Lion King tapestry. I don't know if I'll have all the colors that I need for it, but I'll just start inserting random colors, and it's just going to be a random colored Lion King sunset that'll probably have like blue or something in it, who knows. But this is another thing that I was working on in July. I will probably have this as a whip for the next upcoming months, who knows. I'll probably still be working on it in December because this is a forever type of project, and it's not something that I'm gonna pick up often, just because it's just for when I just need a break from my actual work projects, and this is just a fun project. So that is what I was working on. The next whip that I have is in this bag here. I got it from Amazon. I think it's a laundry bag because it says, you need this one, take care of laundry. So whatever. What? I said the same thing in my podcast. I was like, wait, does it say laundry? And I wrote my name on it. I wrote Callie on it because my twin sister has one and I don't want to get mixed up with hers. And also, what this project bag holds. It's a project bag for me, okay? But this project bag holds this whip here. These are sleeves. Let me open it up for you. These are sleeves. This is a whip, a sweater that I'm working on. You would have seen it in one of my vlogs. I think the beach vlog. I started this then. So that was like a few weeks ago, a couple weeks ago. To a few weeks ago, and it's something that I'm not doing a video on it. I'm just literally crocheting it using up the yarn that I have on this, and it's going to be a v-neck sweater. It is so freaking soft. Okay, the previous project that I was working on, this Lion King tapestry, I'm using 24/7 cotton with it. With this one, I'm double stranding Drops Air and Drops Kid Silk Mohair. So Drops Air is like an alpaca wool nylon blend or polyamide. They're like the same thing. Polyamide and not nylon. They're both like plastic or something. Or is that viscose? I don't know. Something unnatural included with the natural stuff. And it is the softest thing ever. Remember I was talking about the Drops Brush Alpaca Silk? Yeah, that one was soft, but it's not as soft as this one because it doesn't have any silk in it. And it is just so squishy. So soft. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to finish it. I plan to finish it this month in August, and hopefully I get that done because I want to have a bunch of sweaters that I can just wear all the time in my videos, and it's just going to be such an awesome thing to have, especially since I'm just now getting into making a bunch of sweaters and designing a bunch. And I feel like before I was just preparing myself for this moment of, hey, now you can use the yarn fibers that you want. You can make what you want sweater wise, high neck, turtleneck, v-neck, all of these necks, crew neck. It's just awesome experimenting. It's awesome having a project that I don't have to worry about filming and just chilling with it. And so that is what I started in July, and I will definitely, well, I hope to finish this month. And I think I'll be able to. Alrighty, the last whip that I have resides in this petite knit bag. You would have seen me working on it in my previous video. I have been working on this for a while now. I have been putting it aside and everything, but recently I've been working on it because this is the one that is a time crunch, okay? I'm actually filming a video on this, so I need to get to work on it. But I finished the back panel last night. So I have the back panel and I have both sleeve panels. I have both sleeve panels, so one sleeve, two sleeves, and the back panel. So wow, this makes this look so red. It's actually a rusty red color, but it's very vibrant in the camera. but I am 90% done with this sweater. It's going to be a high neck sweater. I plan to call it the Rusty High Neck because of the color and of course what it will turn out to be. I'm using Knitting for Olives merino and soft silk mohair, double strand of course, so using these together, and it is the color pomegranate. Both the mohair and the merino wool is a pomegranate color. That's the name of it. So look at this. Oh, so beautiful. This is a project that I will be finishing probably when I get back from Vegas, because this week I will be leaving for Vegas. So next week I will finish it. On the trip I am bringing different yarn for a project to start on, so I won't be bringing this because, you know, I just need a little break on it. And then I need to film for this, and I don't want to end up filming. I'll be filming a video in Vegas, and I don't want to end up having this project be in all of my videos when I am planning a singular video for it. Those are all of my whips and all of my finished projects for the month of July. August seems like it'll be a great month for projects as well, because I plan to finish this Rusty High Neck. I plan to finish that blue Drops Air mohair sweater. So that's 2 sweaters already for August. I plan to start and hopefully finish my birthday dress so that I can wear it for my birthday, take pictures in it. And then one more sweater will be me using the Noro yarn, and those are the projects that I have planned. Oh, I also plan to do the cardigan for Tony's cow. I plan to start on my mohair sweater. That's just gonna be a side project. So I have a lot of things that I plan to do, and I hope that I can get 99% of them done. A few of them I don't plan to finish in August because I know it's just like going to eat into the time that I need for my other projects for my videos, but I'm excited for August. Let me know what you guys have crocheted in July. Let me know what mohair in my throat. Gosh. Let me know what you guys crocheted in July. Let me know what you plan to do for August and how many projects you plan to do. I know that school is probably going to be starting soon, so a lot of people won't be able to crochet or knit as much as they'd like, but still, even if you get one project done in the month of August, that's still a great goal to achieve, and I can't wait to see all of your projects, and I can't wait to start mine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, if you liked it, give it a like. If you want to see more from me, subscribe. Click that notification bell so you always get updated when I update, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye!